Right now, we're seeing music sentiment spike to plus 0.75, a notable surge above the historical baseline. This isn't just an ordinary blip, it suggests a sudden wave of positivity in listener engagement. With momentum holding steady at plus 0.00, this indicates that while the sentiment is high, it's not accelerating further. A perfect time to capitalize on current trends. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of this sentiment, including 19 semantic clusters that can inform your next move. Imagine using this insight to curate playlists or target marketing campaigns that resonate with what listeners are feeling right now. To dive deeper into how you can leverage this data, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness these insights for your projects.